PyQt QListView Issue with drag and drop for both importing and rearranging in one list. So my current listview code simply allows me to drag and drop files on the computer into my listview. What I want is to be able to rearrange the listview items. The issue is when I try to, it gets overwritten with the drop method to import files and nothing happens. For example, if the drag is from outside the listview I want it to import, if the drag is internal, or rather from within the listview, I would like it to simply move like it would with internal move. Adding this to my code. While commenting out this, causes the rearranging to work flawlessly, but won't allow me to import files by dragging. Because of this, I've gathered the above as the cause of my issues, but I just can't figure out how to fix it and have both working at the same time. It seems like it should be an easy fix. I don't know if it's the right direction, but I know. Returns true if from outside the listview, and returns false if within the listview. You will most possibly notice the above code is from this URL and this URL. I know I could create a setup that queries the mouse pause and deletes the item and re-adds it at the closest position, but that seems like so much trouble when internal move is built in and works for my needs. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for the time.
Piotr's answer was halfway to where I needed to be. I actually found the rest of the answer to my question here, this URL. I simply define my listview as, then use the below code as the class definition. When new files are dropped, it emits a signal to a function connected to the list view. When an old file is dropped, it is moved. Thanks for the help.
If you want to see more, please